Want to create this edit? Keep watching. Before we get started, please consider supporting my channel by subscribing and liking this video. Now let's get started. First, you want to record a conversation through messaging with a friend like this. Then import the clip to CapCut. Then click on audio, extract. Select the video that has the sound, which I will include in my Google Share Drive. I'm going to add bit to my audio so it will be a little bit easier to edit. Click on it, match cut, add beats to the sound. For those who want to use sound from a different character, you can just trim out this part and then replace it with another character's audio. I'm going to show you an example really quick. Click on audio, extract, and then select the video that has the character sound you want to use. For example, this one is longer, right? So what you can do is just adjust the other half of the audio like that. So this is how it slides after you use a different character sound. But I'm just going to use the other one that I have. Then you are going to trim your conversation to match the sound. You can click on the clip, split, and then delete any part that you don't want. Split. Then I'm going to adjust the speed of the clip to match the beat. Click on it, speed, normal, and then adjust it to match the beat. Then just repeat the same process with the rest of the sentence. Then just match your clip with the end of the sound. So this is what you would have. Then export the clip. Click on new project, select the clip we just export. Click on the clip, animation, combo, and then select smartphone. You can select whichever one you like. I'm going to use smartphone 3. Then click on format, 9:16. Click on export again. Click on new project to select the video we just export. Sometimes your audio might delay for a little, so what I like to do is just to mute the clip audio. Then click on audio again to extract the sound that we use from the first one. Then you want to go to this part of the audio. Click on the video clip. Then delete the second half of the video. Then click on the plus icon to import whatever clip you want to use. Adjust it to about 0.5 seconds. Then click on animation, in, raw vertical, maximum duration. Then make 4 copies of it. Click on the second one. Click on replace. Select the next clip. And just repeat the process with the rest of the video. Replace. Then go to the beginning of the clip. Click on the audio, match cut, auto generate, beat 2. Click on the beginning of the clip, add a keyframe, zoom in a little, go to the first beat, zoom in a little bit more, and then go to the next one, zoom in on the word, go to the next one. You can always move it if you want. Just be creative on how you like it. Then go to the next beat. You can just be creative on how to use the keyframe to zoom in and zoom out on different spots. You can also adjust the speed in between the keyframes by just going to the second keyframe of the 2. For example, I want to adjust the speed on this one, just click on graphs and select whichever one you like. So that's how you can create this edit.
I am not a king, I am not a god,
You can also add other effects to it if you want, just be creative with it. I'm not going to show you here on how to do it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. As always, please be nice to yourself and have a wonderful day. I will see you next time.